this just to remind me of Venice. And here I have to change the plants just so when the plant outgrown, I have to take it out and put in the new plant. So the purple one. You see how beautiful? So this is another area that I plant a lot of things just so we can sit and relax here up here. The hanging basket, the same thing. It's so relaxing. And if you look at this side right here, each individual have it very uniquely planned by me. This one is have the theme of the lighthouse.